Hi guys, welcome back to my channel if you're new here. Hi, my name is Jessica Danielle. I do everything from like makeup, get ready with me videos, storytime videos, haul videos, project pan, planner videos, and I do vlogs on my vlog channel, and I have a budgeting channel. And today I wanted to show you guys what I got from Marshalls. I usually don't get out of there with like outspending $100, but I ended up spending under 50. So first things first, I got this. I already like unboxed it, but the KVD items, because they're, I think, reformulating. Found a whole bunch at Marshalls, but I only got this one. The duo is called Elusive Orchid. The pink shade is called Glass Apple, and the more tannish shade is called Gilded Apple. Not like I don't have enough cream products, but I think this would be nice to try. Next, I got this, and I got this for $7. This Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewdrops. I've had this before as a trial size or something. I think maybe in a 4 favorites bag or something, or for a birthday gift. I can't remember, but I got a small one because I did like this and I wanted to have it again for $12. Next, I got this Hydra Peak water bottle because my Miyoki. I loved it. It's 40 ounces, keeps water cold and everything, but there's certain sections of it that like I couldn't clean, so I was like, let me get another one at Marshalls. So I got this. It's cute tortoiseshell. I got it on clearance for $13, and this is gonna be my water bottle for the summer. Because I need to be drinking water because it's hot already in California. But so yeah, I don't know. But yeah. And then I got, which I was really excited about, Bones Coffee had a whole bunch. So I got the Cookies and Dreams, 2 Holy Cannolis, and a s'mores. And I'm really excited because they were like $2 each. That is it for the haul, but really excited about the coffee. Like, not gonna lie, because I've wanted to try this brand for a while. So, but that is it for the quick Marshalls haul. You'll see more things probably because I'm going to be traveling to North Carolina soon, in July at some point. You can catch that probably on my vlog channel, but you'll be seeing hauls and stuff, and maybe like me packing my makeup on this channel as well. So stay tuned for that, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.